I've got a box that we're gonna open today. This box is full of a bunch of limited edition stuff from the Mars Rover 302 Adventure. Hey everybody, welcome back to the brand new channel. Today we're gonna be checking out everything that came from the Grams 28 Mars Rover 944 collection. So they reached out to me and they were like, hey, can we send you some stuff? And I was like, absolutely you can. And then I took a look and I was like, oh hey, I remember seeing these photos all over Instagram. So this was a pretty cool opportunity to get some limited edition gear here, and what better way to kick off the brand new channel with a long form unboxing video. Hello everybody from B-Cam. Without further ado, let's see what's inside the box, guys. Now, I already know, but you guys don't already know what is inside the box. So we're going to rip this pull tab and we're gonna get cardboard all over my desk. I'm not too much of a fan of that. Also, I just realized I forgot to close that door. I'm not too much of a fan of that. Oh, this is so cool. This box is packed full. Okay, so we've got a very nice t-shirt here from Grams 28. We're gonna check that out here in a moment. For now, I'm just gonna kind of set everything off to the side before we really dive into this to take a look at what we've got. And now we've got a Grams 28 little drawstring bag here of supposedly we've got some goodies in here. Oh my God, that is so cool. So this is the Adventure Sling, the Mars Rover 302 Adventure Sling. This thing is pretty dang cool, not gonna lie. And right up here, I can't even see myself, but right up here, we've actually got what I believe are coordinates. Maybe this is the whole thing, you know, 302, 220, 001. Man, this thing is cool. We've got a bunch of protective foam on here that we're gonna go ahead and toss into the box because we don't need any of that. Oh, that is so satisfying. It smells like real. Oh my God, this bag smells incredible. So it looks like we've got 3 individual little stitched pouches right here. 1, 2, 3, and then we've got 2 individual pouches in the back. We've got a couple more things on the inside here, which we're gonna take a look at in a second. Oh, we've got a few more things on the inside, which we're gonna take a look at. Of course, we've got all of the silica there that we're going to go ahead and save for a nice little midnight snack later. We've got some very nice padding inside. We've got a little zipper pouch right here. A small little one, nothing too crazy in there, just a small little pouch right there that we could put some things in. Some stitched in little pockets as well. And then we've got just a nice big bag here. So this would be good for, you know, laptop, iPad, really just anything that you want to bring. There's pretty much, I mean, there's room for a lot of things in here. And I totally forgot we've got this little back zipper here as well with another pocket. Yeah, just a pocket, nothing crazy in there. I'm not a big bag guy, but you know, you've got a little handle here as well. But just the build quality of this bag is actually phenomenal. It's really, really nice. I really do enjoy this quite a bit, actually. There's one more final look at the bag before we take this and tuck this off to the side here. Now we're gonna go ahead and check out what other things we've got in here. We've got more little drawstring bags, which I guess could be good for like little accessories and stuff. I mean, you know, you could use that for a lot of things. So far we've got 1 big one and 3 small ones. So we've got some extra stuff in here as well. Now these are separate from the bag. So of course we've got our shoulder strap for the bag here. Go ahead and tuck that to the side. And now we've got a couple more things that we do need to open. I'm gonna open one for the B-roll cam. This little sleeve off. I probably did that in the most inefficient way possible. Oh my God, this is so cool. No way. Okay, this is awesome. It's a little camera strap. Wait, hold on, gotta do the leather test. Oh yeah, this is legit. There we go. So there is the Mars Rover branding on the camera strap here. Now I would use this on the A7 III right now, but that is what's actually recording right here. So there we go. We've got a very super nice leather strap here with some gold obviously, you know, faux gold things, little clips here, the little side things on the side there. And that is how you attach the camera. Okay, so we've got 2 camera straps here. I mean, that's kind of handy because now I've got, you know, 2 cameras. So there we go. We've got another camera strap there. Very cool. Of course, we've got the little clips here as well for the other camera strap. So, I mean, overall, I mean, that's pretty cool. Couple big drawstring bags that I don't know what I'm going to use for. Who knows? Maybe I'll find a purpose for them. Maybe I could keep, you know, some accessories or something in there. I'm not too sure exactly what I'm going to do with those yet. And we've got a heavyweight sun faded t-shirt. I mean, that looks pretty cool. There is the back there. If you guys can read that, hopefully I'm exposed properly. So when I grade this footage, it doesn't look terrible. And then right up here, we have, so it does have the date that this little like event slash shoot took place. So there is the t-shirt itself. We're gonna go ahead and lay that out. Man, that looks awesome, dude. Cruiser wife making an appearance. She said she didn't want to be in the video, guys. Cruiser child right there. I don't know if you can see her in frame. I think you can. You can just see the top of her head right there. Okay, we're gonna finish our outfit change and then we're gonna come back and finish off this little video. All right, check this out. So we've got our bag here. Now the only thing that I didn't actually put on were the shoulder pads for the strap, but we've got our camera here so we can, you know, just quickly shoot, tuck that down to the side. Got to pull something out of the bag, say less. There we go. Boom. Yes, officer, I do have my ID right here. Now, like I said, I'm not one for bags. This is more of a collectible thing. However, the camera strap comes in extreme handy. And this shirt is pretty sweet too. You know, it fits a little weird. It is obviously a heavyweight t-shirt that is kind of oversized. I mean, the arms are super long, but guys, that's gonna do it for the video today. This was actually super cool. As you can see, we've got our Mars Rover branding right here. We've got the A7 III. We've got the purse right here. If you do want to check out any of the things that you've seen in the video today, head down to the link in the description below to pick your piece up before it's gone forever, because these are collectibles. They're never coming back once they sell out. So if you did like any of the pieces in the video, head down there, give them a follow, check them out. All the links will be in the description. Guys, this has been Nick. Welcome to the channel. I will see you all in the next video.